Hey guys. Today I'm gonna talk about my math teacher. So he gives us a lot of homework to the point where I had 7 to 8 homework assignments from him in a week, a couple times. The homework was given in 2 different days and was due the next day. And also he's an alleged pedo and has also allegedly had multiple cases on him in the past 2 years. And a girl on my bus reported him to the higher ups in my school for sexually harassing her. So I'm gonna fly to space now, toodles.